It's time to make a splash on your next holiday. A great swimming pool can make a family holiday, so that's why we put them in over 60 of our parks. Our heated indoor swimming pools offer year-round family fun, whatever the weather. During the warmer months, many of our parks also offer heated outdoor swimming pools, so you can take advantage of those warm and sunny summer days. Keep the kids active and entertained by jumping into a fun-packed schedule of activities including aqua jets, inflatable jet skis, pool parties and swimming lessons. With water slides, splash zones, toddlers' pools and wet adventure play areas, our pools are guaranteed to keep little ones and big ones smiling. You'll even find spa baths and saunas at selected parks, perfect for easing tired muscles after a big day out. There's something for everyone on our holiday parks with swimming pools. Simply check the pool timetable when you arrive on park to see what's happening during your stay. So grab your swimming costumes, goggles and inflatables and jump into our swimming pools on your next holiday.